Welcome back friends to DIY Guy channel. Today we are going to install tire pressure monitoring system in Renault Duster. I have ordered this product from AliExpress. In the comment section I will share the link from where I have ordered this product. So let's just open this and things are provided in it. So this is the display unit which will be installed inside your car. This is the solar panels, like you don't have to wire this display unit in the car. Only like the port is provided. Like first of all you have to just charge this display unit for 2 to 3 hours. Like I already charged this unit, so it's ready to install. Apart from that, like we have 4 sensors. It will going to install in all the 4 tires. If you check, they are marked as RL, that means rear left hand side. The same way all the 4 sensors are marked. This is RR, rear right. This one is front right, and the last one is front left. So here are the tools which are provided basically with this kit. So this is the two-sided tape to install the display unit in your car, and this is the tool to tight these nuts in your car, and these are the basically rubber seals which are provided, like in case there is a small cell installed in this sensor. So in case if you are going to replace the cell, you have to replace this ring as well. That's what's provided. So now let's install it in the car. So I'm going to install the first sensor in the rear tire, rear right hand side. So just open this cap, and first of all just install this bolt. Once the bolt is installed, just install this sensor. Once the sensor installed, just tight the bolt again and just use this key to tight it. You can see once installed you can't open this sensor, so it's done. Same way, just install all the remaining 3 sensors in all the 3 tires. So friends, I have installed the sensor in all the 4 tires. Now we have to just check this display unit. To power on this display unit, press this left button for 3 or 4 seconds. After pressing, you can see we are getting the display. You can see the small figures 25, 26. These are basically your tire temperature, and the bigger digits like 27, 27, 26, 27. These are your tire pressure. Here you can see over here, like we have a option of PSI. Like in India we have a like the air pressure is measured in PSI. That's why I've just set it as PSI. Otherwise you can just set it as bar as well. To set up this unit, press the middle button for 4 or 5 seconds. Now you are in setting mode, so just you can see it's over its PSI, so you can change it as bar as well. In India it's PSI, so I will let it be on PSI. Then again press the middle button. You can see the temperature in degrees Celsius. You can change it into Fahrenheit, so it's up to you. I will prefer Celsius. Now again the setting button, you can set the load tire pressure. For me I've just set it to 24. To change it you have to just change it from here, the left or right buttons. So the low pressure for me is I will set it to 25 for the left one, for the front ones, and the highest 39. Don't have the option less than 39. That's why I'm using the high temp tire pressure 39. Then go to the rear tires. Rear tires, it's low pressure, you can just change 25. It will going to give alarm, and the tire pressure is less than 25 psi, you will going to receive the alarm. It will going to beep. And the high pressure is 39. Again, the pressure is more than 39, it will going to intimate you. So again, the temperature 75, 80, 85, it's up to you. I just set it to 70. And like I still need to explore these options, the IDSEH. Need to explore this one. And you can see like we are getting a different icons. The left one on the top is for the solar charge, like it's getting charge from the sun. So it's solar icon. The signal icon, this one Wi-Fi icon, is for that it's seeing the signal from the all the sensors. The right one is the battery, like battery is fully charged. So like we have a solar panel on top of this. So I'm going to install this display unit over here in my duster, because this is the suitability. You can see I can get the proper sunlight over here because the icon is on. So I'm going to install it over here. So let's install it first. I installed this console above the AC vent, so it's properly visible, and its battery also gets charged from the sun. So that's it, we are done with the installation. It's very simple, no tool required, nothing. Another good thing about this display unit, like if your car is stationary, if it's not moving, the display will going to shut down automatically, and we're going to just start your car. When it will start shaking, this display unit will going to activate automatically. Let me show it to you. You can see I just shake the car and display got on automatically. So that's a good, like it will not going to consume your battery. So I'm going to just try this TPMS for next couple of days to see how it works and how precise it is. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, give thumbs up. Bye bye.